Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to set up buy a cart Squarespace. So guys, the first thing that you will do is simply go to your Squarespace account and log into your account and just simply go to your website. And now, once you have done that guys, just simply go ahead and click on edit over here on the top left. And now once you are on edit, you can just simply click on over here at the top and click on edit site header. And now from here guys, as you can see, I already have a cart over here. So let's say I'm going to delete that. And after that, just simply go ahead and click on over here, add elements. And now from here, you should be able to enable the cart again. And as you can see, it will show up. And after that, just simply click on save on the top left corner of the screen to save the changes. And you should be able to have the cart. And there you go. If this video was helpful guys, please like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just simply comment down below. And thanks for watching. See ya!